Do you know the most viral type of shorts on YouTube right now? What about the type that have completely blown up in the last 30 days? What about those? And do you even know why that matters? In this video, we're going over the most viral type of shorts based on categories. I've compiled a list of the top 8 types of shorts that are insanely viral right now. We're gonna compare the difference in how the trends are changing so that you know what to watch for and how to get the best results. Hi, this is Angelique with InVideo, and if you're looking for resources to level up your video creation, you're in the right place. You've just entered into a series on YouTube Shorts and how to make shorts that will perform. I scrolled through well over 200 of the top performing shorts on YouTube. We're gonna break it all down, and after we do, I'm gonna show you how you can create some of these ideas for your own channel with the InVideo editor. Okay, just a second. There's actually 2 lists here. So I have one list that is the YouTube shorts, the most viral YouTube shorts of all time. And then I have another list that is just the YouTube shorts that have been posted in the last 30 days that are incredibly viral. So the first list, the most viral shorts of all time. Now these are hashtag shorts. If you went and searched for these up for yourself, you would be able to find them, of course. I went through 92, but here's why. The views on each of these shorts range from 421 million down to 20 million views each. Now that's why I stopped, because I just stopped at 20 million. I just felt like that was a good stopping point. So the first category is skits, stories, and like the point of view trend. It's all acting, right? It's kind of like storytelling, taking you through a story. So I put those all in one category. And there were 26. Then we have how-to, hacks, and tips. And I felt like that was a good category. There's 21. Challenge, pranks, and tricks, 16, gaming or like gamified skits. So some of these are like animated skits. There's animations involved with them and they're very involved. So I put those together and that's 11. This versus that. So it could be like, girls versus boys or this country versus this country. You get what I'm saying? Okay. So that's a category. 6, food. 4, music and dance. They tied. I had them in 2 separate categories because I thought there would be more actually. And they both tied for 3. Here's something else to note. Some of these mix some of the types of content. This is a great example. So it's a dance challenge. Here's what I mean by gamified skits. Now, this isn't to say that other types of videos are not performing supremely well on YouTube Shorts. What this is saying is that from 421 million views on one short down to 20 million, these 2 tied. So that's all there was. There was 3 of each within this category. And then there's beauty and health had 2. That's what we have for of all time. There just wasn't a date assigned to this search that I did, okay? So then the next one are the ones that have only been posted in the last 30 days. So here we are at 77 million views. We just saw that one, right? 77 million views just in the last week, down to 5.8 million. So that's a pretty significant range. That's a lot of views in 1 month. Crazy, right? Okay, skits, stories, and point of view, 37. Then there's the gaming, gamified skits, 23, challenge, pranks, and tricks, 21, this versus that, how-to, hacks and tips, 11, food, 10, reactions, 8, TV shows, which, let's be honest, it was all Squid Game stuff, right? It's 7. So these are the categories. If I just break them down into like top 8 categories, I would have thought just seeing kind of what's performing on TikTok and Instagram Reels, and now, Facebook has joined in on the fun. But it's interesting that skits and stories and this point of view, they're winning over here. So one thing that I noticed was not all these categories landed in the same place. Gaming has seemed to crawl up on the list. This versus that. How-to, tax, and tips ranked 2nd on the first list and 5th on the 2nd list. We see reactions. We see way more reactions. And this is why it's important. What's performing on one platform does not dictate how it performs on another. This should help you in making decisions, because even regardless of what your content is about, you can apply this video style to your niche. If you appreciate that, be sure to hit the like button so that I'll know. and I can make more. It really makes you wonder, why are people getting so obsessed with growing on YouTube and Reels and TikTok? How much money are they actually making? How much are people making with YouTube Shorts? What's the difference in shorts that go viral versus shorts that are profitable? They're not the same. If these are questions that you have and you would like to see more ways on how to make money with YouTube, or even specifically with shorts, just type "how to get paid with YouTube Shorts" in the comments below. That'll let me know. So now that you have the ideas covered, let's take a look at how easy it is to create these video types for your channel using InVideo's video template library and online video editor. To get started, you just need a free account. And if you haven't already, use the link in the description below. All right, so this is the search page. And here we're gonna select the 9:16 aspect ratio since shorts are vertical. Okay, well, here's the best part. Every one of these templates is 100% customizable. So just pick a template that, pick a design that makes sense to you and comes closest to how you'd want your video to look. I like this one. And start editing. This is where you can replace the text and any media with your own, or you can choose from over 8 million stock clips. So what this means is you now have an arsenal full of resources from premium sources like Shutterstock, iStock that you can directly use into your project. So you can also create shorts if you don't have any original footage. All right, so once you're happy with the outcome, I think that looks pretty good. We just need to preview it and then get ready to export it. And just like that, your shorts will be ready for you to download and use like in 5 minutes. We'd love to know, did you find value in this video? And I gotta be honest, I was kind of surprised not to see more dancing videos. Were you? Well, come and hang out with me in the comments. Let's talk about it. And while you're down there, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification bell so that you're notified of our next video, where I'll be going over the most viral faceless shorts on YouTube and how you can make them without ever having to show your face. I'm Angelique with InVideo. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.